This here is called a frogfish because it looks like a frog, I guess. It comes in different species with their own colors and shapes, and it's very patient, even when it's hungry. Despite its clown-like appearance, it's a voracious hunter. Hee, stupid fish. Its strike is among the fastest in the animal kingdom, taking just 1/6000th of a second. Hee. But no, it could never eat that big guy. What? Oh. Ooh. It turns out the frogfish doesn't really bite its prey. By rapidly expanding its maw to 10 times its normal volume, the predator creates a vacuum that sucks the victim in. It's so powerful, Dyson should work on a new vacuum, the frogfish edition. All that's left to do is cuff out some scales. The frogfish isn't just a master of brute force. It's also pretty wily. It reels in gullible prey by waving a spine that's shaped like a worm. Plus, it's sneaky, blending in perfectly with its surroundings. When it's on the move, it walks around on modified fins to avoid kicking up sand. I mean, look at that thing go. Hey, frogfish, maybe if you actually chewed your food, you wouldn't walk like that.